How long does it take to make a baby?
Sex twice a day, every day, for all of February.
Well, it can be done very quickly, can't it?
Depends on how long you last, I guess. I'm not sure, I could be firing blanks, but who knows?
Clock's ticking.
All right.
How long?
I think it depends.
Takes 9 months. Then we get a little sister or brother.
It made my life complete, having children.
I think it's very individual.
Usually 9 months, unless you're an elephant.
About 2 weeks. Probably 9 months.
5 minutes?
2 years.
30 seconds.
9 months.
10 months, actually, isn't it?
I don't know.
I don't know, keep on keeping on, I suppose.